In food processing, downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's also expensive. Every minute lost to maintenance or equipment failure can cost thousands. Choosing the right conveyor drive system isn't just a design decision, it's a commitment to uptime, sanitation, and performance. Today, we're putting STOBER's cLEAN system head-to-head with a motorized pulley to see which one truly delivers when the pressure's on. At first glance, drum motors and STOBER's cLEAN system are similar in terms of efficiency, material, and warranties. They're both capable options and are built with stainless steel, ensuring no bacteria growth and allowing caustic washdowns. However, when you dig deeper, the differences are hard to ignore. Motorized pulleys are incredibly compact, simplifying the initial design phase and touting a sleek look. The cLEAN system takes up a little more space since it's mounted to the side of the conveyor. But that extra room buys you several things drum motors can't: durability, ease of maintenance, and flexibility. Durability. Drum motors rely on a single seal at key connection points, including the termination housing. In food plants where high-pressure washdowns are routine, that seal is a weak link, resulting in water ingress. Because drum motors also run hot, excess heat can cause magnet delamination, leading to failure. STOBER's cLEAN system, it's built to withstand the harshest conditions. It's IP68 and 69K certified, has dual seals at every connection point, dual output seals on the gearbox, and a gland in the cable to prevent any water ingress. The STOBER cLEAN motor also has no weep holes, meaning no water can enter the motor. Magnet delamination isn't an issue because it runs 86 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than comparable motors. It's not just durable, it's indestructible. Maintenance. When a motorized pulley fails, brace yourself. You'll need to unload the conveyor, remove the belt, and disassemble the end assembly, often requiring special tools. If it's an incline conveyor, you're also bringing in a man lift. Sounds like hours of downtime and lost production. With the STOBER cLEAN system, changing out the motor is as easy as 4 bolts. STOBER's Bowex coupling input allows the motor to be detached quickly, while the wobble-free bushing system makes it easy to remove the gearbox from the conveyor shaft. Thanks to the modular design of this external drive setup and STOBER's mean time to failure of more than 9 years, you can service or replace specific components without replacing the entire system. You can also send the KSS and cLEAN motor in for renewal, replace wear parts, and get a fresh new warranty. Inventory. Drum motors are custom fit to belt width, speed, and pulley diameter, occupying more shelf space in your storeroom and tying up more money in inventory. STOBER's modular design simplifies everything, allowing one gearbox to fit multiple output shafts with our bushing kit design. The cLEAN motor can also handle speeds from 500 to 3,000 RPM, eliminating the need to stock multiple gearboxes and motors to handle various output speeds. Fewer parts, less inventory, lower costs. Choose STOBER to eliminate the unwanted extras. The bottom line, motorized pulleys are a compact solution that some call an engineer's dream, but they can be a maintenance nightmare. Drum motors may look sleek, but when it comes to durability, serviceability, and long-term value, STOBER's cLEAN system wins where it matters most. Choose the cLEAN system to dominate the real-world demands of food processing. When uptime matters, and it always does, choose the system that's built to endure. Choose STOBER. Visit www.stober.com to learn more.